So today we are here to discuss about PI of NID and NIFT. We have an analysis and which is very important. Recently we see NID how they have taken an interview and they are going to continue the same for bachelor and master students in coming days. Same way of NIFT also for MFM, M Design and MF Tech. So analysis, marking and how they are taking an entire pattern, that discussion is here. We are going to begin today based on the entire research. One very important announcement is if you are interested to attend our today's evening PI session, which is by the expert and as well as student, though they have attended this year already the online PI, and they had session with experts and they got their PIs have done right now, so they will also join and you can ask directly the question from them. So that is overall idea. Well, I'll take couple of questions though they have faced, we discuss with them with couple of students. So important thing which is required is ID, your roll number, admit card, call letter is very important, one of your ID means any of the ID that obviously you should have. Well, couple of question which is kind of the similar question they have asked in NID and NIFT both, if you will see. So intro, your schooling, hobbies, why that course, irrespective of bachelor in NID, master in NID and master in NIFT, respective of again MFM, MF Tech and M Design, this questions is very much valid. They can ask you these questions commonly. So we'll discuss in fact the separate questions also, what is for NID portfolio, which is only in NID portfolio and SOP you have. Well, for NIFT also separate couple of, but I'll take some of the question which is quite common initially, so that would be the beneficial for both, and couple of announcement at the end that we have related to our courses and class. Job, good or bad things for your last job. So it's a very much technical question, but they want to know, okay, if you are engineer from last 3-4 years, so are you enjoying your organization or not? So there are many things which went, if you are drop out for a year or 2 year or 3 year after +2, or else after the graduation, if you are working in some institution or anywhere. Well, so all this is pretty personalized questions and we have to discuss one by one. So obviously we'll have a session with our experts and the student, though they are writing this year exam. So we'll discuss at that time why you want to leave the job and why you want to join this organization, how you see yourself after this course. This is again the very valid question and it will come to you. You have to find some couple of proposal, you have done it, or maybe your plan are some more common questions which normally they ask: your name during the quarantine, your life is, and what you are doing from last 3 months. This is a more important question. Maybe they'll ask you, did you wasted your time incompletely and what you did. Surprisingly, one of the question was they asked one of my student, don't you think joining this college you gonna waste your time? So be ready for such kind of question, and one very valid point. In fact, interviewer said that sometime if they ask the question, don't take it they want to know something very typical, because they also learn from you, which is the student review, it's a student point they said. So they learn from you because that is what is your expertise. It's not important or necessary, they will also have a same expertise and experiences. So be ready for your PI, that's gonna be so interesting. If you will see our analysis, we were taking on the same platform your classes from quite long time. On same platform you will have your NID or NIFT your interview. We were saying that there will be 3 panelists earlier in videos. That's what there are 3 panelists in fact in NID and NIFT, both places for your PI. So there are many other things which we are supposed to discuss. Make sure you join today's session. Make sure you go and write in the comment box you are interested in this session. Our team will connect you immediately. You will get the reply because we have a backend team here to reply you back. Well, so if you are interested, right away subscribe and do not forget to press the bell icon button, because see this kind of information which we are discussing today and which we are having for you. If you will not press the bell icon, the notification will not reach to you and you will miss that opportunity. So make sure do not miss such opportunity. Whenever we have such session, must attend, because we are the one platform where we ensure it you will get the right information by industry expert and from your field. Suppose somebody who are writing the MFM exam, will make sure that the people who have get the top rank, in a single digit rank, they will take your class and make sure that your preparation is which level and what you need to improve. There are the students, though they just attended the one class and they appreciated and they got the similar question in the exam. So what else you are waiting for? We will ensure that the best mentor will guide you. The best things are in today's session. Join us now today. If later on, please write your comments are, well, dear all MFM, MF Tech, M Design, NID Master or Bachelor students, I would like to say, if you are interested, one more announcement is here. Our team will help you. In fact, in counseling also. So you are just writing the exam, but the all backend team is working for that. So we will have a link. Interested student can write in the chat box you are interested in counseling. Our team should suggest you and help you how, what and how will be the college and industry life will be. For that, make sure you write your comment below so that we can help you again in that particular things. So guys, I really appreciate all your love, support always. And I have a one announcement. We sometime is not like our team also is not able to answer all of your call messages. Keep showing your love. We are really happy. We never feel bad sometime when you call for your so many personal things. Students are recommending their parents to talk to us and discuss with us. So this gives us really good feeling, and we are happy to stay connected in this situation. We are together, we are born together, and we are here today. So this journey is for more long and long, because the team which we have, it's in industry, it's everywhere, wherever you can imagine and dream in any branch. So be with us. We will ensure it. You will get the best mentorship and guideline. So that's it from the day. Make sure you write your feelings and comment in the below in chat box, so that many students were asking me to make the video. So that's what I make a video on this topic. We decided to have a class. So this was your request. So anything which you want for master students, anything which you want for NID PI, anything which you want for any other courses, make sure that you ask us here. Stay connected. All of you are. We will ensure we will fulfill that whatever is your questions and requirement is. So wish you all the best. All the best, all the best, all the best. Bye everyone. Bye bye.